Happy Thanksgiving! Yay! Who's that, Zayo? Minions?
Yes.
Cooking soon. Happy Thanksgiving! Can you please get the package at the door? We're gonna do some potatoes.
Thank you.
I'm gonna show you how to. Yeah, it's fine because we're gonna take the peel off anyways, and we'll put it in water. So. Oh my gosh, who is that? I don't know who that is. That's a statue of Whitney. Yeah. So we're gonna need a lot of potatoes for mashed potatoes, and then we're gonna need potatoes for scalloped potatoes. Okay, let's just start out with. Ooh, we're gonna need a lot. Let's just do a lot. Sweet potatoes. Okay, so.
Now you have that potato. You have that potato. Yeah, I have a potato too.
Thanksgiving cooking is in full effect. Okay, so we're gonna do a sweet potato casserole, buttered garlic, creamy whipped mashed potatoes, a cheesy scalloped potatoes, and a green bean casserole. Water's started, gonna get them nice and salted. So we're gonna do a big thing. First we're gonna do the mashed potatoes and the sweet potatoes, and then I'm going to slice the potatoes for the scalloped potatoes. So just gotta get something started. Always go away from you. So you hold it firmly, but make sure your fingers are tucked. Nowhere near, okay?
Yes.
So you take it and then you do one long stroke. If you do a long stroke, it's easier, but be careful of garlic buttered mashed potatoes, like really creamy and soft. And then we're gonna make like a cheesy scalloped potatoes. And we're gonna make a sweet potato casserole. The one you guys like, the one you like, Ace, that's like sweet on top. Yeah, okay? So we're gonna need 2 peelers and 1 chopper.
I'll be a chopper.
Wanna be a chopper? Okay, why don't you go get 1 more cutting board? Like that, okay? But make sure you go along and you tuck in your fingers.
Okay. So smooth.
Okay? Let's see you do it. Bottom, fingers tucked. Woo, girl, I don't know, you're making me nervous. You are making me nervous. When Gigi's done, you can hand her the potatoes, okay? So you're gonna have a chopper, and then we're gonna put it in a bowl of water so that they don't get brown. Not the sweet potatoes, I'm gonna cook those right away, but the potatoes. Careful. Good job, Tolly.
Oh, you're almost done.
Oh my goodness.
Do we need more?
Yeah, so we need a lot, babe.
I'll be done.
So I would say that we're gonna need at least 12 of the big potatoes for the mashed potatoes, and the rest of them I'm going to slice. Okay?
This year, it's the 100th year of the Thanksgiving Parade, and it started since 1924 to 1942.
Wow. Fun facts. Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
No, Bea, can you bring me those mixing bowls on the counter? So, Lily Billy, don't touch your hair while you're cooking, okay? Because if you do that, you have to wash your hands again. Okay? Okay, thank you. So, Lily Billy, put all all the, Lily Billy, put all the your mashed potatoes in here. Okay. Dangerous. And try a little piece. So dangerous. Alright. Now let's get it on top of here. Yes. Okay, that's a lot. I think I made too much topping. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I want to get like a little glass bowl so we can make a mini version to keep at home.
Oh yeah.
Okay? Yes, perfect. Okay, let's get that in here. You always gotta keep a mini version on the side just in case it runs out so we can have it the next day. You wanna put this in there? Okay. Good job. We have used a million mixing bowls today. Spread it real good. And, we're almost done. Then we're going to do the green beans. Then we're going to get ready. I can't believe we made all this today.
Didn't take too long.
I'm tired. I'm ready to go relax. And get it covered. There you go. There's like a lot here. And spread this out. And then we're gonna put this in the oven. Do our green beans. And that's it. Our garlic is pretty much done. A little bit softer. And then we'll start smashing it and making like a paste for our mashed potatoes. Try this.
What?
Let's go.
Hold on, babe.
So you want to try some?
Is it good? Don't put it back in the thing. Is it good? Yeah? You like it? Scalloped creamy potatoes, a green bean casserole, a sweet potato casserole. We've got a honey glazed ham and creamy garlic mashed potatoes. All right, let's get ready to go.
Okay, go. Ah, yes. Get it all.
Come with me. You're coming with me, right? Close the door. Lock it.
Oh, there you
Lock
go.
it. Lock it.
Lock myself.